Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. This is Felicity D, and today I will be showing you how to make aloe vera oil for longer, stronger and thicker hair growth. So stay tuned and watch till the end to find out how to preserve this homemade aloe vera oil. Aloe vera contains enzymes that helps repair damaged hair. It reduces dandruff, it promotes hair growth, and leaves hair smooth and shiny. To make your aloe oil, first take a fresh aloe vera leaf. Rinse it off and allow it to sit for 10 to 15 minutes to drain all the yellow liquid lactase. This liquid contains a natural chemical called aloe, which may cause irritation on the skin if you are allergic to lactase. So I do recommend that you wait till all dries up before you use the aloe vera leaf. The next step is to cut the leaf into two. Use aluminum foil to wrap one and store in the refrigerator for up to a month. Chop the other half into smaller pieces and add to a blender jar. Blend into a smooth paste. You will then take a saucepan, put on fire, pour in your base oil. I am using coconut oil to fry my aloe vera paste, but you can also use extra virgin olive oil. Stir well and simmer on low heat until the water drains from the aloe vera paste. If this is your first time to this channel, you are so welcome. This channel is about faith, natural hair and lifestyle. Please subscribe and hit the notification button to be notified whenever I upload a video. Returning subscribers, thank you for the love and support. I appreciate you all. After the oil has cooled down, you will then strain. You can use any strainer you got at home. It could be the metal strainer or cloth strainer. I am using a wig cap to strain my aloe vera oil. You will then transfer the oil to a clean container or bottle and store in a cool, dry place. This homemade aloe vera oil could be stored in the refrigerator and used within 2 months. If you add a preservative, then you can use up to 6 months. Thank you so much for watching. This is the end of the video. Until then, and always be blessed and be safe. God bless you all.